Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can invite someone as a collaborator or editor to your documents in the Drawboard PDF reader. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document here in the PDF Drawboard PDF reader, and I will go with this example one here with that blank page. So you will need to click into this share button here in the top right. And here guys, before you send your invitee or contact that invitation link here from your clipboard, make sure that you switch this invitational access to from reader to collaborator, right? Because that is going to give these invitees the option to do markups, for example, right? And you can do the same here, right? By selecting collaborator, entering the email address and send the invitee an invitation. Wait for the invitation to be either accepted or declined, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.